Hello everyone, this is Joan of Art and welcome to Art Central. Let me take you back to the opening night of our Art Central and let us listen to the speech, the inspiring words from Attorney Jocelle Batapa, our guest of honor who opened this Art Central for everyone.
We thank all those who built all the artist movement here for many decades. I know there are so many art organizations, but the world is moving. We move from our past artists whom we respect to you, the young generation of artists. Kamo naman, or kita naman gali, hindi ko mauulang. kita naman yung mga hubin.
Yes.
My opening speech now is really more of a prayer. It's a prayer, it's my birthday. And
Yay!
I
Happy
get to maybe
birthday!
wish several wishes. And tonight I am wishing, as part of my birthday wish, that this installation, this place, is going to attract as many visitors to help us all. You know, the one thing that I really regret is having veered away from art because I went into lawyering, I went into politics. But you know, even in our real world, even in our day jobs, damo yapon sang medium of art. Nakita ko man kung paano ini nagsugod. Kagakuya nagapati gidya nga ang Negros Occidental is really one of the best hub for arts in the Philippines.
Palakpak!
If you are able to draw your idea, if you are able to draw what is inside your head, that is a power. The world needs to see ideas. The world today don't really need to hear ideas. Everybody wants to see. Everything is visual. 45% of the time, if you see, you learn more than when you hear or read. So that is the power of visual artists. And so ang challenge ko sa Ana Subong, please, let this be not a night of opening, but let this be a night of continued visual artists ecosystem in Bacolod. Because we need places to bring our visitors to see kung ano ginawa kaltadi nga art sa Bacolod. Makadto dig visitor. Ang Bacolod, gali ang Negros, gali home of artists, di sila makadto. Because in other countries, you have so many installation arts. Kadto ka lang sa mga park, may mga installation. Namo ng dream namo ni Joan, installation arts. When I had the chance to speak in Miami, I saw all the old walls painted with graffiti. Beautiful graffiti. Katahom-tahom sang mga artistry. I hate throwing away other things that are beautiful.
Yay!
So, I like the hanger na ginabakal ko kung magbakal ko kurbata para kay Attorney Arnel, no? Kakit sang hanger. So, use ko ang old ribbon and I use my old manicure cutex nga may glitter. And then, ang mga bracelet nga nagbugto na nga hindi na matapik. And then, one time, I drank straw, bamboo straw. And then, ang lay ginahatag sa akon. I have hundreds of lay. Every time I speak, I have a lay. And then, ang akon niya, aritos nga wala na Paris. Kaya nadula. So, I made it into a chime and I'm giving it here. So, let us all give a piece of ourselves to this place so that we become a part of the art environment or ecosystem of Bacolod and Negros Occidental. So to each and every one of the artists and the supporters of the artists who made this activity and project possible, madamo ginyo salamat sa inyo, kag congratulations, maayong gabi.
Thank you very much and happy birthday, Attorney Joseph Batapa, my good friend since college. So we've been together that long and we know each other so well, and she's also an artist. That's why she gave us a gift of a piece of herself and she put it right here. And we are open to everyone who are willing to donate a piece of themselves, an artwork, whatever you can to help us build this gallery, the first and only of its kind here in Bacolod. It's literally a junk art gallery. And I hope you will enjoy going around, take some selfies, take some photos. This is Joan of Art, and until our next video, bye for now. Bye-bye.